Hi, this is Mike from Travels with Mike and Nancy, and I'm going to show you today the one-bedroom deluxe suite at the Crane at Barbados. This is a pool room with an ocean view. Room number 514. Let's go in. As we walk in into a nice entry, you have a lockout room over here, so if you have extra people staying with you, you can get connecting suites, and that would make this into a two-bedroom. But as we have it, it's a one-bedroom. You can see our entryway. Immediately to the left after you come in, we have a bathroom. It's a full bathroom with a sink, toilet, and nice shower, glass walls. Just outside the bathroom, behind these closet doors, is a washer dryer. So you can take care of your clothes without leaving the room. As we walk further in, there's a whole line of closets that you can use for anything you would need to store. 3 giant closets with shelves. This third one here has a little bit smaller shelves, a fire extinguisher. And this is directly opposite the kitchen. Here we have a kitchen with a full-size refrigerator, microwave oven. There's even a small little dishwasher and a cooktop with an oven. It's very nice. They give you everything you need. Open the cupboards, you got dishware and some coffee and glasses and cups. Down below in the drawers, silverware, everything you need if you want to do your cooking in here. Walking further in, we come to the dining area. Nice large dining table, little desk. It's a very classy place. It's very large. This is almost 2,000 square feet, I guess, is what they say. And large screen TV, all kinds of drawer space for somebody who might be able to stay with you that sleeps right there on that, which is a fold-out sofa bed. And it leads right out to the lanai with your own private pool with a beautiful view of the ocean right here, right off your lanai and your pool. You got lounging chairs and of course a table with an umbrella. Walking back in, got a nice glass top coffee table. We'll walk past the dining room and it'll come to the bedroom. This area is large. It's got a big couch in it. And there's a giant 4-poster bed, a makeup table, another dresser with some more drawers, another large screen television. You can see 2 side tables. And also more access and your view from your bedroom when you wake up. Walking back the other direction, we come to the big bathroom. Large bathroom with double entry doors. It's got 2 sinks, 2 mirrors, more drawer space. There's the water closet. A big jacuzzi tub, has lots of jets in it, bubblers in the bottom. Another large shower with some extra nozzles there, so it's like a car wash inside there for your body. And then we also have your more drawer space, a safe, and then over here you have places to hang things. Lots of spots. You don't have to worry about running out of places to store things. So that's my review of my tour of the crane at Barbados. This is a 1-bedroom deluxe ocean view with a 28-foot personal pool. Thank you for listening.